Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, going through the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're doing this so that we can build our faith, because in a them last day, if you not have faith, you never can go through. Yeah? So, if you want more people to build them faith and be strong in these last days, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody, at least one. Because remember, when you do these things, it shows YouTube that other people interested in this. And so therefore, they must show it to other people. You understand? So that is why you feel click the like button, drop a comment, and share the video. And if you're not subscribed yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you won't miss anything that is happening on this channel. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning, by the grace of God. So today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 11 from verse 12 to 14, and then from verse 20 to 26. You're going to find out how to make sure say your prayers get answer. When Jesus and him follower them left Bethany the next morning, him did hungry. Jesus see one fig tree lickle out from where them did there. It did cover up with leaf, so him Goffe see if no fig upon it. But he never find none, cause I never fig time yet. So him said to the tree, from now on, nobody now go ever near fig from you again. And him follow them here when he says so. The next morning, when Jesus followed them past the fig tree, them say dry up from the root. Peter remember what Jesus did say to the tree. Then him say, teacher, look, the tree where you did say nobody now go ever near from again, it dry up. Jesus tell them say, believe in a God. Hear what me I say, and I true me a talk. If nobody say to that mountain, get up and go fling yourself in the sea, if him really believe in him heart and not start wonder if it really a go happen, it will happen for him for true. And that make me a tell you say, anything you pray and ask God for, believe say him gonna and you will get it. So anytime you turn up for prayer, if you have nothing against nobody, you fi pardon them. That way there, you Father way in heaven, we pardon you for all of the wrong we you do. God word this. Thank God